to learn from water. Adjust yourself in every situation and in any shape. But most importantly, find your own way of law. Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good side of everything. Life is not meant to be easy. It is meant to be lived. Sometimes happy, sometimes sad. But with every up and down you learn lessons. That makes you strong in the end. The treasure of life is missed by those who hold on and gained by those who let go. Sometimes you have to accept the fact that certain things will never go back to how they used to be. Life goes on. Stay positive even when it feels like everything is falling apart. Life is the greatest journey you will ever be on. Always end the day with a positive thought no matter how hard things are. Tomorrow is a fresh opportunity. To make it better, always do the right things no matter what others says. It is you, not them, who has to face the consequences. Don't wait for things to get easier. Life will always be complicated. Learn to be happy now. Otherwise, you will run out of time. You are about to overcome something you have been dealing with. Your mind and heart will soon be at peace again. Be patient, everything will be okay. Silence is the best answer to someone who does not understand your feelings. It is time to just be happy. Being angry, sad and overthinking is not worth it anymore. Just let things flow. Be positive. It makes a big difference in your life. When you stay positive, no matter how good or bad you think life is. Wake up each day and be thankful for life. Someone somewhere else is fighting to survive. Sitting alone and enjoying your own company is better than being surrounded by fake people. Don't rush anything. When the time is right, it will happen. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile and start again. If you let go a little, you will have a little happiness. If you let go a lot, you will have a lot of happiness. If you let go completely, you will be free. Your goal is not to battle with the mind, but to witness the mind. There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Those who know do not talk, those who talk do not know. Do not overrate what you have received, nor envy others he who, when these others do not obtain peace of mind. Having faith in yourself makes anything possible. Happier people are those who gives, not those who takes. Life is too short to argue and fight. Count your blessings. Love the friends and family members that are always there for you. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Take every chance in life, because some things only happen once. If you have been hurt many times and you still know how to smile, trust that you learned to live a life